Hello, I'm Anastasia. I will turn stiletto nails into coffin in this video. Coming up. Normally, when a client wants coffin shape, you just create coffin shape from the beginning. But sometimes client might want to change the length and the shape of their nails, and there are many different ways to do this. Usually you need to do infill, and while doing infill you can change the length and the shape. But here we were doing stilettos for a photo shoot, and then the model said that she wants to keep nails shorter. So I'm using carbide bead with green abrasive mark and filing off the length of the stilettos. As stilettos are pointed, shape to switch to coffin is just perfect. When I removed the length, I removed almost half of the length, the nails became very thick. So that's why I turned them around and removed the thickness underneath. When I will do this, the nails will be thin and wearable, and they will be easily turned into coffin shape. Also, she really wanted to keep the crystals and the colors, so the best way to remove the thickness is definitely underneath. When sculpting stiletto shape, I feed the form downwards. For this reason, I also want to remove the excess thickness underneath to turn the nails into the different shape. And then I switch to the other hand and do the same. When filing the length and the shape with electric file, I always try to do my best, so I will not need to file a lot after that, but still we need to fix the shape with a nail file. I'm using 180 Endurance by NSI. I just want to make this line straight and smooth, and also to round the corners, so they will be soft, so the model can easily wear them in her everyday life. If your client decides to transition from stiletto to coffin or square shape, you can do this exactly the same way. Just remove the color first and then file off the length. Do not forget to remove the thickness. Also, when I'm filing the thickness underneath, I create the deeper C-curve, which in my opinion is better for coffin shape. Also, do not forget to measure the length. Index, middle and ring finger should have the same length and the same on the opposite hand. Pinky should be slightly shorter, while the thumb can be slightly longer. After that, since we were using matte top coat, we need to wash the hands and remove the dust. That's it. This is stilettos that we had before, red and blue with crystals, and then we switched to the coffin shape. Let me guys know what do you think, which color do you like the most with the crystals, red or blue, and if you would like to watch more tutorials from me, including this stiletto tutorial, do not forget to subscribe as I post new tutorials every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!